Good morning everyone, this is on again, day 2. Right now I am in this beautiful hotel of mine. Can you see the orchids? There are some beautiful gorgeous looking orchids there. Yeah, I will gonna go and give you a tour. Today is around minus. It's gonna be minus. You can see the view. Today the plan is to see some parts of Sikkim. Not a big plan right now to go for sightseeing and all, because the weather doesn't permit it. You can't see much. Everything is foggy around here. So there is no such a big plan kind of thing. Today just need to roam around and see the place. I have been here in the year 2016. Gonna go to helipad and gonna show you more videos. Please do stay tuned. Heading towards Pelling helipad. It's an uphill. Feeling bit tired, but still going towards helipad. It's an uphill walk for around 10 to 15 minutes. You can see this beautiful place. See, look at the greenery. This is the lodge of Danny Denzongpa. This road leads to Pelling Skywalk, which tomorrow maybe I am going. So the temperature is around 2 or 3 degrees, I guess. So it's very cold, but at the same time this landscape and all is what it's worth for. So see the vlog. Yes.
भद्रको आसिना बना रहा है। सबसे आगे we are going upstairs now. अभी पहुंचे थे हम लोग। अभी पहुंचे हैं। हाँ? नहीं, we just went out. We are going to helipad. वहाँ पहुंचेंगे तो
Just giving some biscuits to the stray dogs. They're such beautiful animals. Eight 8,000 feet. 8,000 feet.
8,000 feet up.
This is Surojit.
Which one? Lower?
My travel partner.
Hello guys.
And he's doing pretty good.
Lower, upper, middle, कहाँ पे?
Struggling with bit of cold. That's it. Heading towards helipad right now. this is helipad. See the stray dogs.
आए हैं तो सब जगह जाएंगे ना. हाँ. हाँ का.
So right now, just entering helipad. This is the view of helipad. There are plenty of hotels you can opt for. It's cold, but a bit of walking makes it even easier, I will say, because your body gets warm and you can't feel the exact temperature. Look at the dogs. They are enjoying quite of a cozy sleep. So just entered helipad. You can't see anything, of course, because it's foggy today, but at the same time, this is what nature offers you, the best that nature can offers you. Such a lovely morning, winter at its peak, having a lots of fun. I just want my friend to have some comment, so I'm asking my friend Surojit, how are you liking this place?
It's fantastic. Just speechless.
This is what nature offers you, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Enjoying na?
Ekdom.
So my friend is enjoying. We are having just a kind of morning walk because nothing to do in this kind of weather. You don't want to go anywhere else. It's best to stay nearby, enjoy the beauty of this nature, this God-gifted nature. Boss, this is insane. Been here many times, but you know, this is what you're gonna get. So thanks guys, we'll post more video. Please do like my vlog, please do subscribe. That gives me motivation to make such vlogs. And if you want any kind of details, do ask for it. I seriously gonna help you out. That's a promise. Thank you all. Take care. God bless you all. So just leaving helipad. Just stayed here for 30 minutes or so. Looking to go for some lunch. Here there are plenty of hotels out here. You can choose any one of them. My friends are going to plenty of beautiful hotels. You can choose any. Kanchenjunga is right there. You can't see it, but you can feel it. Once the visibility will get great, I'll definitely go and check. We'll show you too. There are some beautiful hotels out here. Leaving helipad right now. So there are 3 or 4 hotels in the helipad itself, and below that there is more hotels here, so you can opt accordingly. If you're coming to Pelling or Upper Pelling, my recommendation will be stay in Upper Pelling, because it is one of the best place to see what you came for, that is Mount Kanchenjunga, the 3rd highest peak of the world. You can check the fog that is coming here. It's around 1 p.m. Feeling a bit of chill. It's chilly winter here. Doing great right now, and now it's downhill, so there is that amount of pressure that was there while coming upwards, that is not here right now. Going downhill is very soothing. Been here, like I said, but nothing has changed on. Here is one FL shop. This is new. This was not there. This is how life is in Himalayas. Cool, calm. People are very nice. They give you warm welcome. Lots of beautiful flowers. Check this flower. Such a beautiful flower in roadside. Just going for a lunch, and there is a great hotel here which has plenty of good reviews. The name is Melting Joy, and it has good views too. So let's see what I will get here. Till then, goodbye, take care, tada. Aha, কি ভিডিও আছে।
কত বড় নিচে খাওয়া দাওয়া নিয়ে করছে আমাদের মধ্যে বাওয়ালি হয়।
আমাদের ওখানে তো ভ্যান নিয়ে আসে, ভ্যানে করে উঠিয়ে দিল সবাইকে, বললো 50 টাকা দেবো আর এক বেলার খাবার দেবো, ডিম ভাত। এই সালা কি করবে, মানুষেরও জব নেই। না অতটা না, অতটা না। এইটা হচ্ছে গভর্নমেন্ট ইনফরমেশন সেন্টার, টুরিস্ট সেন্টার, কিন্তু এটা বন্ধ করে রেখে দিয়েছে।
তাও আছে, হাঁটতে হবে, আমাদেরকে ওপর নিচে করতে হবে, খেয়ে খেয়ে উঠতে হবে আমাদেরকে।
গার্লস হোস্টেল
বুঝলো, খেয়ে উঠতে হবে, তারপরে যাবে।
কত বলছো, কতক্ষণ বলছো?
হ্যাঁ
কতক্ষণ বলছো টাইম
দেখিনি আমি।
তো ধরতে এত ইজি হচ্ছে, দেখো
এখনো 1.5 কিলোমিটার আছে, একই মারছি।
সব বলো না, কান ফান গরম হয়ে যাবে।
700 মিটার
হয়েছে। बच्चों बोलছে ইউটিউব চ্যানেল, সব জানে। এটা এক্স ভিডিওজও দেবো আমি,
এটা ভালো ভিউ পাবো।
হ্যাঁ বলবে নতুনত্ব।
লাগে পুরো দেখে গেল কোথায় যে কোথায়
নামও যাবে, লিটল ডিপ।
যাও যাও যাও,
দেখে গেল
Nice place.
This is the main marg.
सब ठीक चल रहा है एटा ढुकलो तो एसबीआई
এটা আছে
লিম্বি রোড লিম্বি রোড কোনটা
এই কোনটা এটা না এটা কি সুন্দর গুলো ভিতর সেটাই হ্যাঁ
দেখতেই থাকি না এখানকার লোকাল
এটা এটাই কি মুভি কি হবে
খাওয়া নিয়ে কথা হেভেন্স কিচেন খাওয়া যাবে এটা তো বন্ধ
সব বন্ধ কেন এগুলো
এদের টাইমিং আছে এখানে খুব
ধর মতনটা হ্যাঁ দেখ পিছনে কুকুর
right now in a restaurant in Pelling for our lunch. This is the outside view. It is known as Cocomendo. It's a beautiful restaurant come bar.
হিসেবে তো
Friends are ordering.
হ্যাঁ যাবো সাইড আরে এখানে ফগ রে পুরো কিচ্ছু মানে ইয়ে ভিজিবল না কিছু মানে আমরা যে
It's a foggy
কিছু মানে কোনো মাউন্টেন
weather right now
মানে পুরো ফগ
and it's afternoon, so we are having our lunch right now.
দেখা যাক কালকে
Not going anywhere.
আছে যেদিন একটু
It's a beautiful restaurant.
ঠিক আছে তোকে ফোন করছি কেন বিকালবেলা ফোন করছি কেন ফ্রি থাকবি তো ঠিক আছে ফোন করছি
Loving the vibe currently. Thank you. Such a beautiful restaurant. They just opened us this place to sit here and to do some photography. It's a must visit place if you are into Pelling. Such a beautiful place. You should must come here. You should have your lunch or your dinner, whatever you like. We are having fun. We are having some whiskey and all.
Do you want?
Yeah, a bit less. Plus, okay. Thank you.
তোমাকে দিয়ে দেবো
These are my friends. We are having lots of fun here. Such a beautiful ambience. This is a must visit if you are into this kind of ambience and all. Thank you. So this is our lunch. Surajit, how is it? তুলে নিয়েছি
আমার ছবি
এখানে ছবি নিও না বৃষ্টি পড়ছে চলো
আমাদের ছবি লাগবে না আমাদের ছবি কত তুলবে
আরে এই ভেতরে
দরকার নেই বলে ছবি ফটো দিচ্ছে
এটা সিংসর ব্রিজের রাস্তা ডেন্টাম ভ্যালি
कंडीशन आउट कोई दिक्कत हमारा छवि ना होता है
ओके ठीक আছে
देखे देखे देखे
See the clouds. Everything is taken by clouds right now. It's very cold right now. It's raining also. It's raining right now. It's getting cooler and cooler. Weather turned out to be very beautiful, and it's mystic too as well. Check the scenario.
Okay.